is Mary and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in the most famous and romantic cities of Germany, in Heidelberg. And today in this vlog I'll show you the most interesting attractions of this city. So let's go! Right now I'm near the oldest university in the world. It was built in year 1386 and it still receives applications from students all over the world, from near and far. An interesting fact: the first bicycle in the world was invented by Carl Zeiss, a graduate student of this university. Right now we are heading to the Heidelberg Castle, which is nestled in the hill 80 meters, about 260 feet above the city of Heidelberg. This breathtaking castle attracts yearly countless tourists from all over the world and is one of the must-see German destinations. The earliest castle structure was built before year 1214 and later expanded into two castles circa 1294. However, in 1537 a lightning bolt destroyed the upper castle. The present structures had been expanded by year 1650 before damage by later wars and fires. When you visit Heidelberg Castle, don't leave before checking out the world's largest wine barrel in the castle basement. The barrel, known as Heidelberg Tun, can potentially hold up to 221,726 liters, though it has never really been used for storing wine.
Aber steht gar nichts mehr drin. Bibelgeschaft doch.
In Heidelberg, you can get acquainted not only with the history of the city, but also sit in a cafe, enjoy a coffee and meal, go shopping, and endlessly look at the scenery.
there is also a legend. So you can see a monkey here. If you rub the mirror, or I don't know, I think it's mirror I saw on internet. So if you rub a mirror, you will be rich. So you will have a lot of money. If you rub a finger, you will come back here again. And a lot of people who don't have children yet and they want to have children, they rub a mouse. So it's your choice, but for me and for my sister, we rub a mirror. Our trip is almost over, and now I can see why a lot of people visit Heidelberg. And I highly recommend you to come here and visit the most historical and romantic cities in Germany, Heidelberg. That was it. Thank you for watching. It was Mary, and see you in the next video. Bye!